Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm coming to you from St. Louis, Missouri. And today, for our weekly Wednesday, as promised, I am featuring some of those retiring sets that are on the last chance product list from Monday. I shared with you on Monday in the video some savings that you can take advantage of during this time. And so for right now, I am going to share with you several cards using some of those sets. And just so you're aware, I did just get an email from Stampin' Up! And April 15th through the 17th is going to be double rewards day. So if you order anything between the 15th and the 17th of April 2026, you will get double the rewards for your order. So just keep that in mind, because there's a lot of great last chance items on the website, and for sure you can take advantage of that special rewards program. And just hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com and you'll find the online store there. Okay, so for the first card, I am using Petunia Pop, and I am featuring that layering of beauty stamp set, and that's the one that has the dies and the masks. And I didn't use the dies today, but I did use the mask, and if you can see, it really is an amazing set that helps you put some of those shading of light, and you don't really have to do any blends or shading. You can just use your blending brush and the masks, and because the masks are numbered, then you can put them on there and you get that like deeper color. Okay, so that is our first card, and all of this one stamp here is from that set, and so is the God Bless. And I just layered that up on Petunia Pop and some black. Now, all the supplies and all the measurements will be available on my blog at blessedbycards.com. So you can download a free project sheet of all the things that you'll need. So our second card is the Azure Afternoon, and I am just using the cone flower set and use the blends to color that in. Then I stamped It's Your Day and layered that on some black, and that's a super simple, fun card that you can create in a matter of minutes. Card number 3, I'm using the retiring set, the Gallery of Blooms, and I use some of those dies in there to cut out the paper from the designer series paper, and then this is Early Espresso. And after I used the die to cut out the paper and the Early Espresso, I used another piece of Early Espresso to back that frame, and just mounted it on a pecan pie stamp card base. And then I stamped my Early Espresso fern flower, and I stamped it off again just once with full ink and then immediately without re-inking, and that's how you get that lighter image. And that is card number 3. Card number 4, I am doing the little flowers and coloring with Petunia Pop, and that's Petunia Pop card base as well, and this is from Gallery of Blooms, and I just colored those all in and mounted that on the side of this piece. Now I embossed this with the eyelet embossing folder, which is also on the last chance list, and I just mounted that on the same color. And then we have black, white, and then the Expressing Heartfelt Gratitude is from the Gathering Moments stamp set, which is also a huge savings on the last chance items. So just add the bling of your choice. I just had some of these little sequins here and just added that right there. And that is how simple card number 4 comes together. So 2 cards from Gallery of Blooms, and 1 from the cone flower, and 1 from Layering of Beauty. And again, all of these are on the last chance product list. So hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com. I'd be happy to service you. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks so much again for watching. Be sure to download your free project sheet so you can create these cards. And until next time, be blessed.